Germany-based defender Im Ocon has finally put lingering questions about his international allegiance to rest, reaffirming his commitment to South Africa despite being eligible to represent Nigeria. The 21-year-old, an over 96 centre-back, born in Johannesburg to a South African mother and a Nigerian father, has long been viewed as a dual national talent both countries could pursue. Although he has already made 5 appearances for Bafana Bafana, those caps came during the 2025 COSAFA Cup, a regional tournament that does not permanently tie a player to a nation under FIFA regulations. That technically had kept the door open for Nigeria's Super Eagles, but Ocon's inclusion in Hugo Bros' 54-man preliminary squad for the 2025 Africa Cup of Nations appeared to have settled the matter. Should he make the final squad and play in Morocco, he will be officially locked in as a South Africa international. Speaking on Radio 2000, Ocon dismissed any suggestions that his heart lies elsewhere and said, "People always talk, but at the end of the day, I know where my heart is. South Africa is everything to me. I don't know anything else besides South Africa. This is home. Even if Nigeria call me up, South Africa is my home. That's all I have to say." Ocon's move from SuperSport United to hand over 96 ahead of the 2025-2026 season had heightened speculation that Nigeria might accelerate attempts to lure him, but the defender insists there has never been uncertainty on his side. After making his mark at the COSAFA Cup in June, where he also found the net, Ocon and collapsed to Bafana Bafana's provisional squads for the September and October international windows. Injuries ruled him out of the final selections on both occasions. In November, despite being fully fit, he was omitted from the final squad to face Zambia after initially making the preliminary list. His renewed focus on Bafana Bafana may also be influenced by South Africa's promising path to the 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifiers, especially after Nigeria failed to reach the global showpiece. Ocon faces stiff competition at centre-back as he competes for a place in Brussels' AFCON squad. Orlando Pirates duo Bekisi Mpokazi and Nkosinathi Sibisi have emerged as the coach's preferred pairing, while Khulumani Ndamane, Thabiso Moisane and Siyabonga Ngezana remain in the mix. Bros has also widened his options further by naming Malibongwe Khoza, Tylon Smith and Keegan Allen in the extended squad. For now though, Ocon's declaration ends the debate. His future, he says, is firmly with South Africa. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.